It's Christmas, and today we'll be making eggnog for the whole family, parts of the family. But this will be everything you'll be needing on a budget, on a whim. And let's not forget the partiers, the party makers. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so before we get started, I'd like to show y'all that my sleeves, these things are for catching little crumbs. Did you ever know that? Learned that in cooking school. Get some crumbs, eat them. No one will tell the difference. Your body doesn't know the difference. Alright, so you're gonna get started by cracking some eggs into here. And I usually crack them on a flat surface, because if you crack them, well, you crack them on a edge surface. Nice. If you crack them on an edge surface, sometimes they'll crack, and they'll crack the yolk, and you'd be stuck with an improper mixture. Because if you only want the egg whites like we do. Listen, hold on. I'm losing my train of thought because there we go. Come on, you're telling me you can talk and focus at the same time like some kind of normal person? Yeah. We're gonna put the egg yolks aside. I've already cracked one off camera. That's on me. That's on me. And we're gonna throw our egg shells away, because that's what normal people do. I'm on number 3 right now. We're gonna need 4 egg whites here and 4 egg yolks on the side for later. Jesus Christ, that was fucking just intense. More intense than it needed to be. And no one ever shows this process because kind of boring, but I mean, sometimes you gotta learn this thing. Or you can use the water bottle technique, which I would demonstrate, but I don't have any water bottles. Your boy uses glasses. So that's number 3. Let's do number 4 right now. And you can use whatever eggs you want. Grade B, grade A, whatever. Don't get any eggshells in there. I'm about to get an eggshell in there if I'm not careful. Look, I'm about to get an eggshell in there if I'm not careful. So let's get this. Come on, boy, come on. I might fast forward through this if my commentary wasn't so goddamn good. Alright, fast forward. Okay, and that's 4. And now we're going to beat these eggs until they're stiff white peaks. And then we'll start mixing things from there. Go from there. Alright? BRB. Let me wash my hands first.
Hey, let's take a minute and meet Clark.
Alright. Let's get to egg beating. Yeah. Also, I'm using this hand mixer because I don't have a stand mixer, because I'm not one of those. I wouldn't say rich boys, I can afford it, but I got this. Almost there. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna spill this. You can't see. Fuck me hard and call me Sally. Hold on. Almost there. Hey, nice. We got them stiff peaks. Alright, and now we're gonna half-assedly move this over to this one, because this is like the only metal bowl I have. Oh, hold on, watch it. I didn't have to do a damn thing. That thing came out on its own. That was really nice to look at. You don't have to get it all out. because it's gonna get all incorporated in later. Here we are. Moving on. I don't really need that apparently. We are going to mix our 1/4 cup of sugar because I left the ingredients in the description below. And apparently 1/4 cups is 0.5. I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna figure that one out. Okay. Putting our sugar in with our egg yolk. I don't remember. You know what? I am gonna use this. Not wasting a damn thing today. Why is it curved? Who needs curved? But yep. And now we're gonna mix these hoes. We gonna mix these hoes. And yes, we're back to this. Alright, you guys. This is what you want it to look like. A little soft. We're mostly looking at the color here. It's a brighter color than what the other what it used to be. This is the dark yellow color yolks usually are. But with the sugar, it ended up into this really delicious mixture that I just ate raw eggs. Son of a bitch. I'm an idiot. Okay, so now we move on to the rest of the components. We got some heavy whipping cream. 1 cup of that. And it's not coming out. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is thick. This is the good stuff. I swear it hasn't turned into cheese yet. I ran out of heavy whipping cream. That's what it's supposed to sound like. 1 second. What the fuck? Okay. This goes in the garbage. And this we use. 1 cup. Una copa de heavy whipping cream. Two cups of whole milk. You didn't see that. This is a lot of milk. Let's get to shaking again. Oh wait, we forgot our most important part. Your choice of rum. Mine is El Dorado. And I chose some really cheap whiskey I've just had lying around. Make the most of what you have. Honestly, people. It's about 2 ounces. A little more than that, maybe. A little more. Of each. So. Oh, that was a happy fucking pour. We should be okay. We should be okay. Hopefully. And now we mix again. So instead of this, I might be using this spoon. I don't know. I don't know yet. I'm being honest, it's my first time doing this. It's my first time. First time thing. But this thing is already fucking delicious. And if I'm being honest, a little more wouldn't hurt. Eldorado rum. 8-year. 12-year. I've never tried 12-year. That sounds pretty good. That is a heavy fucking pour. But god damn is it damn good. Just gonna stir that in a little bit. Alright. We're going to fold in egg whites a little at a time. Slowly. Let me show ya. Slowly. Not like a beating motion, but a folding motion. Fold it on top of it. It'll get there eventually, you know, when I use 2 hands and not one hand on this and one hand on a camera, but we'll get there. It's already close. You know, I didn't know it was this much egg. You know, eggnog's more milk and cream than anything. I don't know why they call it eggnog. They should call it milk and cream nog or some shit. That's it. Alright. Here we go. Look at that. That's what you want. Let's put some in our cup here. Just a little bit to test drive it. Cheers. Fuck, I'm gonna get fucked up. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Bye bye.